In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change invoice number in Stripe. If you are organizing your billing or migrating from another system, getting your invoice numbers right is essential for clean records and smooth reconciliation. I'll walk you through where to find the settings, what each option means, and a few best practices to keep everything consistent. First, head into your Stripe dashboard and open Settings from there. This is where you can adjust how your invoices are labeled. You'll see options to edit the prefix and the next invoice sequence. The prefix is the text that appears before your invoice numbers. Many teams use it to include a brand, location, or year. Like Acme 2026. It's a simple way to make invoices instantly recognizable and to separate sequences for different lines of business. Right below or nearby, you'll find the next invoice sequence. This is the number Stripe will use for the next invoice you generate. If you are continuing from a previous billing tool or accounting system, set this to the next number you want to use. But make sure it's higher than your current highest invoice number. Stripe won't let you go backward because that could create duplicates. Once you save, the new number will apply to future invoices you create going forward. It won't change anything you've already issued, which is helpful for maintaining a clear audit trail. You can also decide whether your invoice numbers use a single sequence for your entire account or a unique sequence for each customer. An account-level sequence keeps all invoices in one continuous line, which many finance teams prefer for simplicity and audits. A customer-level sequence gives every customer their own numbering stream, which can make per-customer tracking easier. Just be mindful that switching strategies midstream could lead to gaps or overlaps if you've already used certain numbers elsewhere. If you don't see options to edit the prefix or the next number, your account might be on an outdated API version. Stripe's invoice numbering controls live in more recent versions, so if these settings aren't visible, check your account's API version information and Stripe's documentation to confirm availability. To recap, open Settings, go to the invoice template. Set a clear prefix if you need one. Choose whether numbers are customer level or account level. And set the next invoice sequence to a value higher than any you've used before. Save your changes and you'll see the updates reflected the next time you create an invoice. Thanks for watching.